Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a bearish trend. And if you are a trader that's been trading for quite some time, then one of the things that might pretty bother you is the correlationship of currency. I've said many times in many years that this correlationship has weakened to close to none, so you can pretty much ignore it. All right, so pound dollar on the daily chart, it is still bearish. Let's see how it goes from here down to the 4-hour chart. Well, to most traders, it seems like a recovery pattern and setup, but if you have been following us and you know how to read trends correctly, this is still a bearish move. To the 1-hour chart, this is what we have on the 1-hour chart. Based off the 1-hour chart, at this moment, we are on a bullish trend. So some of you at this point might be confused like, hey, what is the difference over here? Because based on different time frame, the candlesticks closing is different and the determination of the trend may differ from one day to another. So for me, as a multiple time frame trader, if you're new to it, just stick to one time frame. As a multiple time frame trader, and I am a born counter trend trader to start off with, that's my default setting. The daily and 4-hour chart, when it's a bearish trend and 1 hour is bullish trend, then it's super good news for me because I can use things like a double top to engage a trade to short, or a pullback after double top to engage for a long-term shorting opportunity, while trend trading on a bigger time frame and having the best reward is the risk. All right, so if you scan this QR code, it will bring you to our Telegram channel, and on top of the channel there's a link. You can click and redeem your free course over here, and this is where you can start learning how to trade for free. Isn't it amazing? All right, so once you understand and learn how to trade, you can pretty much start off with practicing on a demo account. If you like your results and stuff like that and decide to go ahead, and wish you all the best. And of course, if you want to learn more, you want to get into our community, drop me a note and we will see if you're a good fit before we accept you to our community. Scroll down further, you can see right now I do have a running trade on pound dollar. The first target has already been hit, 144 pips. If you are trading one standard contract, that would be $1,440 per standard lot. And of course, if you're looking at this and thinking, hey, I want to follow through the trade because it seems like it have close to 80-90 pips, I would say don't, because at this moment our worst case scenario is not losing a single cent. In fact, our worst case scenario, we have already have our first target profit taken, correct? And in any case, do not follow any traders blindly, and this is what we keep on urging and reminding you. Even for me, don't just follow my trade blindly. Over here is a trading idea, it's not trade signal or trade call. So what is the difference? The difference is huge. Basically, we encourage our followers, even our students, to do their own analysis and not to follow me blindly. All right, so as you can see over here, this is a very unique trade. Second target doesn't give me a 2-1 ratio unlike most of my other trades. But why am I still in this? Because understanding this setup, and I know this currency pair for many years, the first target hitting the first target, the chances of it happen is very high. That's why it's still good for me. All right, so back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. On the daily chart, what I have is a bearish potential bearish butterfly pattern. So yesterday, true story, I saw on an Instagram post, and my friend did post a analyst actually say buy from C to D and stuff like that, and her caption is crazy whatever, I forget the second word. But I got so concerned, so afraid that my friend will actually take it as a good thing and actually buy. And of course, she say, no way I'm going to do that. All right, so please don't do that. All right, so a bearish butterfly pattern is only on for shorting opportunity once the market has reached 1.2572 and wait for candlesticks confirmation. Without that, it's not a pattern you should be trading. To the 4-hour chart, alright, so you know that I usually keep my analysis very clean, meaning say that you only get to see one, because I understand that some of you are not my students, so you will not get regular updates like them. So these are the two possibilities. A bearish shark pattern may complete at 1.1435, although I don't find that there's a high chance of happening. I am more inclined to a bull bat pattern complete at 1.0633. And that being said, I'm not biased because I have a running trade, because there are some warning signs and here and that. So let's see how the trade goes. My call is on the bullish bat pattern. I will need to see a candlestick confirmation, a retest before I engage the trade. To the 1 hour chart, this is the bear crab pattern that I'm in, the 144 pips you see earlier on. And right now, of course, if I can shift stop loss, I can even lock a bit of profits. I might do that, and if I decided I will send the level, I'm going to choose to lock my target profits to my students. All right, so if you're in for this trade for whatever reason and you're still in for shorting, what you need to see is a break and close below 1.1153. That is super important. All right, and I set my alert the way it is because I want to see how the candlesticks actually react, in fact, at this level. Okay, so if it's just a touch and go and stuff like that, then this is something that I might consider and decide if I'm going to intervene the trade. If I see a break and close below, then I know that target 2 has a higher chance of hitting it, and I might develop another trading strategy. All right, so that's pretty much I have for you today. Looking forward very soon to see you in our community. Till then,